finally the weekend, and I'm going to spend my day getting this house ready for some weekend fun. Now, usually we spend our weekends out in the garden if it's nice weather. Right now, yeah, doesn't really look like it. It is raining and they promised rain all weekend long, so we'll have to see. But if I know my husband right, he will be out in the garden doing some garden work anyways. Yeah, he doesn't mind the rain, so if it's not too much rain. But I like to start my weekend off, my Friday afternoon and weekend off, with a clean shade, like a clean, nice and tidy house, because if it is nice weather and we spend a lot of time out in the garden, none of us will spend too much of our time and energy tidying up, keeping this house nice, clean, tidy and organized throughout the weekend, so it will accumulate some clutter, mess, dirty dishes. So if my house is already nice and clean, it will not get too dirty and too messy, and then I can just spend my Monday tidying up after the weekend, which suits me fine. Mondays is for tidying up after the weekend and preparing for a new week, meal prepping, all sorts of things. So I'm actually going to start off by heading down to my gym and getting a workout. I'm already in my workout clothes, and if I don't start off my day getting my workout in, I most likely will not get my workout in, if I know myself, which I do. And then it's time to tidy this house. I'm going to focus on my kitchen and my living room, and then I have some cooking to do, some baking, and yeah, we'll see what we will get done. But first off, it's time for a workout. I have showered, gotten ready, just have my hair left to do, but just need to let it air dry before I fix it. So now it is time to clean this kitchen and get it super spotless clean and nice and ready for Friday night fun and some great weekend activities. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to do some Friday baking, and then I'm going to do some cooking. And I'm thinking that I want to make chili tonight. I don't know if it's a Swedish thing or it's just our family, but we always have garlic bread with our chili. But tonight I want to try the American way. I think you Americans have cornbread with your chili, and I've always been intrigued with that. It looks delicious, the cornbread. Went on Pinterest to collect different recipes, read them, and think I might have found a good one. I'm not sure. I've never done cornbread before, so I have no idea what to expect, how it's going to taste, or if I'm even going to be successful. Who knows? But if you don't try, you never know. You never learn something. Again, intrigues me to have a sweet cornbread, like a sweet bread to a chili. Interesting, but I'm very excited to try it. Another thing that I'm doing today is my refrigerator is broken and needs to be exchanged. So I have a new refrigerator standing in the middle of my kitchen and just waiting to be replacing this one. Our refrigerator is not really cold enough to hold food in there, so I'm very excited to exchange it for this one. So that is another Friday task that I am tackling today. Well, let's stop stalling and get to work. So first up, cleaning. Well guys, I am finally done for today and ready for the weekend to arrive. I have cooked, I have cleaned, I have baked. I even managed to exchange my old refrigerator for my new one and very pleased with that. It took some time emptying out the old ones and fitting everything into this refrigerator. As you can tell, I have a bit of a space between the refrigerator and my brick wall. And that's because my old refrigerator was way bigger than this one. So it took some tweaking to fit everything into my new refrigerator and the little freezer, but I managed. Oh, another thing, I want to give you my review on the cornbread because like I said before, me and my family, we are used to eating toast or garlic bread to our chili. So it was a very weird combination having a sweet bread to the chili. I love the bread. It was super delicious. I highly recommend you try this specific cornbread recipe. It's from Pinterest and I will leave the link down in the description box for the recipe, but it was super moist, super delicious, but very sweet. So it was very weird. I think I will stick to my garlic bread and just eat the cornbread as a treat, snack for breakfast, or ooh, it would be perfect to bring on a picnic. Yeah. I'm going to get changed and get ready for some Friday night fun. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope I could give you some inspiration, motivation to get things done and get yourself and your house ready for the weekend. Maybe you cooked something new and delicious yourself, or I could just bring you some good, relaxing entertainment. Anyways, I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe so you will not miss out on any of my future videos. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend and see you next week. Bye.